watching Fiji Today. For a locally and proudly owned Fijian company, the desire to persevere despite the many challenges and constraints faced has finally paid off after 75 years of dedicated service to the country, the people and businesses whom they have served diligently in the Pacific and the world over.
For Williams and Gostlings, the thought of being able to celebrate 75 years of their existence in the country was certainly a memorable occasion for both management and staff. This despite the many challenges that the company has had to endure since 1936. And last night, His Excellency the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, accompanied by the First Lady Aiyaz Nailatikau, joined more than 300 management and staff, including invited guests and business partners, at their new facility in Wailada to celebrate this milestone achievement by a local business entrepreneur.
I know that for all of us who are here tonight, this evening holds a very special meaning. It is not only a celebration of the Williams and Gostlings 75th year of doing business in this country, but it is also a resounding testimonial of the commitment to Fiji by one family, the Aiyaz. That commitment continues to this day.
But what had originally began as a harbour pilot and stevedoring service, with its transportation sector, sea freight and household removals, has seen the inclusion of air freight and a number of small services like container yards, cargo fumigation, courier services and record management.
The company will continue, I have been reliably told, to develop its transshipment services into the region and explore ways in which to contribute to the development of the Suva port as a major regional hub. Tonight is a celebration and a recognition of the importance of William and Gostling's contribution to the growth of this nation.
Company Director Mr. Dave Edney, a descendant of the early pioneers of William and Gostlings, expressed the company's gratitude to the very people that had contributed to the company's success over the past many years.
It's got to be our team, our staff. In our business, all we've got is our staff and our people. If you don't provide service, you don't have clients. And it's our team tonight. We dedicate the evening to our team of 320 people who have largely been responsible for the organising of this party.
With an annual turnover of $80 million in 2001, the figure has risen tremendously to more than $100 million recently. A clear indication of the high level of professional services, indicating business excellence of William and Gostlings.
Oh, it's a momentous occasion. As you know, it's not only our 75th birthday anniversary, and for any business to survive in Fiji for 75 years is quite a tribute, but we're also formally opening this wonderful facility.
My heartiest congratulating to the William and Gosling company and to the William and Gosling family.
The Prime Minister, Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama, has re-emphasized a no-nonsense, zero-tolerance policy for civil servants on the misuse of government resources.
Prime Minister Commodore Bainimarama said all public servants need to be fully aware of the Public Service Code of Conduct in ensuring that all government resources and funds are not abused. Speaking at the Service Excellence Awards night, he urged civil servants to keep striving towards professionalism, transparency and accountability.
Our government has a zero tolerance for abuse of statutory privileges, mismanagement and corruption. In the past, such practices has led to the squandering and waste of valuable state resources for the benefit of a greedy few. Under our reforms, there will be no more of such abuse. Those who are meant to be assisted will not be deprived of meaningful assistance. We expect each and every officer of the public service to discharge their respective duties honestly, diligently, and punctually, and be prepared to go that extra mile.
The Attorney General Aiyaz Sayed Khaiyum last night revealed more to Fiji Today News on the ongoing court proceedings against the Fiji Times, which to date is anticipating another interesting scenario.
It has come to our attention that Ty Nicholas, the General Secretary of the Oceania Football Confederation, who reportedly made offending remarks about Fiji's judiciary that were published by the Fiji Times, who wish that newspaper is currently before the courts for contempt, may be travelling to Fiji under the auspices of the Fiji Football Association. Given the reported comments by Ty Nicholas, we are considering our legal options to have him joined in the contempt proceedings.
Join us again after the break as we bring you further developments on the new Kings Road upgrading.